Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Key to Income. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance and discussing something exciting. Becoming a millionaire by the age of 30, while it may sound ambitious, it's entirely possible with the right habits and mindset. In this video, I'll reveal 5 surprising habits that can help you reach that millionaire milestone faster than you might think. The power of networking. Habit 1. Cultivate your network. Networking isn't just about building relationships for social reasons. It can significantly impact your financial journey. We'll explore how to network effectively, both online and offline, to open up opportunities and learn from successful individuals. Embracing failure. Habit 2. Embrace failure as your teacher. It might sound counterintuitive, but failure is an essential part of success. We'll discuss how learning from your mistakes can propel you forward and help you make smarter financial decisions. Side hustles and multiple streams of income. Habit 3. Develop side hustles and multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income sources can fast. Track your path to wealth. We'll explore innovative ways to generate extra income alongside your regular job or investments. Continuous learning. Habit 4. Never stop learning. The pursuit of knowledge is a key factor in achieving financial success. We'll reveal how self-education and staying up to date with industry trends can give you a competitive edge. Mindful spending. Habit 5. Practice mindful spending. While it's crucial to earn more, it's equally vital to manage your finances wisely. We'll share surprising insights into budgeting, saving, and investing that can help you grow your wealth steadily. And there you have it, 5 surprising habits to help you become a millionaire by 30. Remember, it's not just about money. It's about creating financial security and freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on personal finance and success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.